Yo guys, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Um I'm sure most of you will be excited as I make this video because there's a great controversy on the Yescoin project or Yescoin airdrop. Okay, we all know that Yescoin is duplicated. We have the yellow Yescoin and then the white Yescoin. Okay, and then most people were like, this one is the real one and the other one is the fake one. That's why in this video I want to make a clarification that to tell you which one you are supposed to do and which you are not supposed to do. I'm just going to give you my honest review on it. So I'm not part of any project. I'm not siding any of them, but I just want to give you my honest review on these projects. Okay? So if you are here for the first time, I'm going to appreciate if you give this video a like. It is very, very important. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this YouTube channel and now turn on the notification, and you can also join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of the video. Okay, so if you also want to come on board right now, if you want to start mining, the links are also on the description section. I'm going to tag it white Yescoin and yellow Yescoin. You are going to also see the links on the description. So many people have been like, this yellow one is the original one, is the real one, then the white one is the fake one. I'm just giving you my honest review. I think if you are to ask me, I'll say maybe the team were on a project, but I don't know what happened. Maybe one of the teams decided to split out and form their own. That's to be honest, while the other still continued on the project. Because if you check, let me just come right over to the other white Yescoin. They have if you check everything about them, you are going to notice, because personally me, I've checked it and I didn't notice like anything scam about it. Okay, I didn't notice anything scam about it. I checked their their page on X. I also, what's wrong with network is not good. Okay, let me just wait up. So I checked their this thing, their handle on X, and then I also checked their channel on Telegram. I didn't notice anything scam about it. Okay, I didn't notice anything scam about it. This was the first one I even started mining on. So all of a sudden, everybody were like, this is not it, this is a scam, this white one is scam, while the other one is the real one. I just want to clarify this. You might not be sure of what you are saying. You don't have any proofs to say the yellow one is the real one and then the white one is the fake. You might be surprised on the day of listing. Now you might see one now might be Yescoin. Maybe they will add something Yescoin dots, then the other one will be Yescoin. So you just have to mine all of them in order to be on the safe side. Just mine all of them. As you can see here, I'm having up to 1 million coins right on the white Yescoin. Okay, and for each time you mine, they give an allowance of 172,800 clicks. The yellow one has everything which the white one has. It's just the same thing. Everything is just the same. They have their X, their handle on X, they have that of Telegram, they have everything. So you don't have to clarify it as fake yet. Okay, So just as I told you earlier, just make sure you are mining the boats. Make sure you are active on the boats. Okay, so this is it about this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll appreciate if you give this video a like, as I told you earlier, and see you in my next video subsequently.